Today, we take a close look at the Nulea Wireless Ergonomic Keyboard, a feature-packed device designed to enhance comfort and boost productivity during long hours of typing. Whether you're a professional who spends countless hours at the keyboard or a creative mind in need of a reliable tool, this split keyboard aims to deliver an exceptional experience. One of the standout features of this keyboard is its unique ergonomic split design. It naturally adapts to the alignment of your hands, allowing for a more natural typing posture. By reducing strain on wrists and arms, it promises a comfortable experience even during extended typing sessions. Coupled with an oversized, skin-friendly leatherette cushioned wrist rest, the keyboard ensures that fatigue is kept to a minimum, making it an attractive option for those seeking both style and functionality. The dual-mode connectivity offers immense flexibility. You can effortlessly switch between Bluetooth and 2.4G wireless modes, allowing seamless transitions between multiple devices, whether you're shifting from your work laptop to your tablet or even your desktop setup. Additionally, the USB-C rechargeable battery, boasting an impressive 200-hour battery life, ensures uninterrupted productivity. This approach not only eliminates the hassle of constantly replacing batteries, but it also makes the device an eco-friendly choice. In everyday use, the keyboard truly shines. Users notice that the adjustable tilt feature, offering 3 different angles, plays a crucial role in personalizing the typing experience. This adjustability allows you to find the perfect angle catering to your specific needs, and this flexibility is something that many similar keyboards in the market struggle to match. The seamless transition between wireless modes is also well received, making it a favorite for both work and play scenarios. On the flip side, while the design is exceptionally comfortable for prolonged use, some users might find the initial adjustment to a split layout a bit challenging if they are used to standard keyboards. It takes a short period for muscle memory to adapt to this new arrangement. Additionally, the size and weight of the keyboard, enhanced by its robust build and cushioned wrist rest, might not suit every desk setup, especially in limited spaces. Compared to similar products, the Nulea keyboard stands out for its thoughtful blend of ergonomic design and advanced connectivity options. For the best experience, ensure that you take the time to adjust the tilt settings and practice with the split design to fully reap its benefits. Overall, the Nulea Wireless Ergonomic Keyboard is highly recommended for professionals, gamers, and anyone looking to upgrade their typing experience with enhanced comfort and efficiency.